My weather app actually says tomorrow the low is -21. I sincerely hope that's a typo. So I'm going to paint warmer weather in hopes that it will make me feel warmer. For the sky, we're going to do kind of a bright blue sky, but with clouds. So we're going to want a scrap of paper towel. We're going to put some water in one of our mixing wells, and we're going to mix in a little blue to get a nice light blue color. I'm going to start at the top by placing that blue down, maybe bringing a little more water in there to pull it down further. And you know what? I think I'm going to drop a little bit of pink in there. Then while everything is still wet, I'm going to take this paper towel, take the ripped edge, scrunch it up, and I'm going to tap some clouds into there. Then we need to let that dry or make it dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to put a bunch of water in my brush, and I'm going to tap into a nice bluish green color to get a really light wash of that. I'm going to make a little hill and maybe another little hill, and I'm going to wash my brush, put some water in it, and then bring that down. Again, I'm going to let that dry or make it dry. I'm going to grab some other greens that are a little bit warmer and also a little more saturated in color. And again, I'm going to make another little kind of hill shape, wash it down, maybe add in a little extra color just to add a little variation. Let it dry or make it dry. And again, I'm going to fill my brush up with some more green, maybe making it even more concentrated this time to make another hill in there. Wash that down, maybe even drop in some different colors. Then I'm going to add in more concentrated colors into my brush. And then on the dry parts, I'm going to tap my brush a few times just to kind of introduce the fact that there might be some bushes or trees in the background. And I'm going to drop in some of that color also into the foreground. It's going to be a little wet though, so it's going to kind of bleed into it and just give it a little more texture. I don't exactly feel warmer, maybe a bit jealous. I want to be there right now. You'd probably only need a light sweater there. That would not cut it here right now.